everyone, I'm Ashok. Welcome to another video on machine learning and data science terminologies. In this video, we're going to look at this word called heteroscedasticity. It's a very difficult to pronounce, but the concept behind this is pretty straightforward. So let me show a couple of pictures. All right, so as you can see, the first picture shows the data has a very high heteroscedasticity, which means that it's actually diverging. Now, if you draw a line, for example, so if you draw a line, a best fit line, okay, all right. So you can see that as the values of these variables goes higher, the data is going away from the line, the best fit line or the regression line. The other side of it, the data which has very near to the line, is called as homoscedasticity. The phenomena is called as homoscedasticity, which means it's like a marching ants. It's very close to the regression line. Why it's important in the machine learning world? Well, if your data is heteroscedasticity, which means that it's diverging as the value goes up, the prediction accuracy will come down. The regression value, the error will be higher, because obviously you can see that you're not able to predict. The value goes up, then your prediction rates come down, the error goes up. In the other one, it's perfect because you all of your data is very aligned. It's like a marching ants. It's near to the regression line. So if the data has high heteroscedasticity, then it's not really good for your machine learning, because obviously the values are diverging as the individual variable values goes up. Okay, that's it. So if you like this channel, please subscribe and also click notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.